I'm gonna be doing the Shopkins challenge. So I already got these Shopkins right here. I don't know if you can see them.
And on his steering wheel, an emblem from Pixar's short film Luxo Jr. Find more when Disney Pixar's Finding
Then I
Dory
got
comes home to
pencil.
digital Blu-ray, rated PG.
I'm gonna tell you the names after, but I don't want to tell you right now.
It's Navidad
Taco
in
Tail.
Avalor,
We're going to have so much fun.
and everyone is getting ready.
The guests have arrived
For the biggest fiesta in town.
We're all going to celebrate together.
Clap the
in
head.
Castillo Park.
But this bash, they brought a boat, doesn't work out as they hope.
I'm gonna pee. So I'm gonna put them all back in. Okay, so I'm gonna be opening the red jar. Open it. Oh, I see one. Two, I got 3 of them. I got Poppy Rocks. I got like hand soap. Then I got like a drink. So I'm gonna tell you which ones.
Now, welcome to McStuffinsville
that I
in
got.
Top Toy Hospital on Disney Junior.
So I'm gonna open up my list.
Welcome to McStuffinsville.
So
Aww.
like I told you, this one is Poppy Rocks.
Thanks, Mom. Good night. I'm really glad you came to visit before you left on your next trip.
Me too. But there's
Scared
something
me.
important to you and I need to do before I go.
There is?
Oh, my sweet girl.
Okay, so I got Susie Sandy
Sorry,
or
Grandma.
Sanda.
What do you need me for?
Oh, this is a big day. Big day. And I promised I
I
wouldn't
don't
get
think
emotional.
that I got
but
this
I'm so
water
proud of
bottle
you,
thing
darling.
on
And I
here.
know you're ready for this.
Oh,
It's a toy sponder.
a toy water? What is that?
I'll tell you, but I assume everyone will want to hear how this works.
Everyone? There's no one else here. You mean my toys? Oh, well, they can't talk or anything.
Of course they can. At least mine always did.
Okay,
You have a
so
stethoscope, and it's just like
I
mine.
don't
I know.
see.
I gave you yours. And I assume you
I don't
figured
see
out what
this
it could
one.
do.
You mean
But if
make
you
it so
know,
you
just
can hear
comment
someone's
below
heartbeat?
and tell me which
Oh,
one that
no.
one is.
I mean,
So I did the red one.
Your stethoscope.
Now
It's
I'm gonna
yours.
do
just
the
like
yellow.
yours.
No way.
So this is what I'm using. You can use this or slime.
Dragon Grandma? Oh, that is the silliest sounding game you've ever come up with. Even if I do love me some Grandma.
Well, thanks. And I love you too, Hallie.
Oh, toys. Go stuffed. Go stuffed like you never gonna stuff before.
Now would be a good time to melt.
I am a robot programmed to play dragon, Grandma. I am a dragon. Roar! And a grandma. Eat your vegetables.
Oh, my darlings. You don't have to hide with me. I know all
Okay, I got a
about
shoe.
Yeah, it's okay. You can talk and laugh and sing.
We can.
I got an eraser.
Oh, mio sola.
Stuffy, can you hold the song so we can figure out what's going on?
And then I got a notebook.
Fans,
I think her name is Noti Notebook.
right, Lemmy?
I don't think that you can see.
The floor is yours.
If the floor is yours now, do I have to get permission to hop on it?
No, Chili, you're good. Sorry, Grandma, I don't understand.
Okay, so
You know
No what?
that my toys can talk.
They can!
Chili, I'm gonna explain all this to you later. Once I figure out of what's going on.
Oh, I've always known. I was so excited
So I got
to see that
Molly
you were carrying on the family
Malkinson.
tradition.
Family tradition?
Molly Malkinson,
No, but
I
my
think.
grandfather
Okay,
had to
and
give
then
to me. Skips a
so
generation.
I got
Okay,
notebook.
that's
I
amazing.
think it's Naughty
But
Notebook.
the toy spawner, what's that about?
That's an even better surprise than finding out your toys can talk.
Better than getting to hear what I have to say.
Yeah, this is Naughty Notebook.
Oh, it's time for us to take our first trip
And
together.
then I got one more
To
thing.
where?
Push
Eraser.
the button and you'll see.
What's happening?
I got Eric. Uh-oh. Man, he is so slippery. I got Erica Eraser. So you see that it's if you cannot see, I'm sorry, but
We were never in Kansas, Stuffy. But point taken.
Erica Eraser. And this is my list. It's this long, so Erica Eraser. So I open right in this one. I'm gonna be for sure. I'm gonna be making more Shopkins videos. I still gonna make a Monster High video with Shopkins. So I'm gonna be doing that. You see, you already can see one. Look like a TV, kind of.
Welcome to McStuffinsville, where toys
Okay,
and
so, ooh, I think I got a hat.
I can be me. I can be me. Which means I'm probably gonna melt.
Oh, Chili, you're still made of plush.
And you're still a lifesaver.
So we have a whole town named after us?
we sure do. Let me show you around.
Okay, so I got two more, and then the video is over. So,
What is all the commotion? Perhaps it's a broken toy.
I got a Flappy Cat.
Oh, never mind. It's just Grandma McStuffins. Wait, that's odd. She brought someone with her.
Oh, can we go see who it is? Please, Stanley. Oh, I'm tired of living up here alone.
Tiggly, tiggly, tiggly. How many
Teeny
times must I tell you we're
I
broken
think it's
toys?
Teeny
We must stay up here.
TV.
We don't fit in down there. Well, who do we have here? A kid? A kid in
Teeny TV. So subscribe, thumbs up or thumbs down. So I hope you like it. Bye.
They look all cute and act all nice.